Banks in Canada are a tremendous economic driver and enable the financial goals of Canadians across the country. But this is just the beginning. Banking is evolving at a record pace, bringing innovation and new potential to empower people's lives in a digital world. Three main themes are accelerating the positive revolution in banking: increasing customer expectations, technology innovation, and the need to modernize a dated regulatory framework. Without question, ever-increasing customer expectations are the #1 catalyst for positive change. Everyone with a smartphone has a bank in their pocket. Banks in Canada are fundamentally customer-focused businesses with a remarkable track record of adapting to what their customers want. And what they want is access to banking services 24 hours a day in real time from anywhere in the world on a reliable, secure platform. Customer expectations are driving the second main theme: technology innovation. Canada's fertile innovation culture has produced an impressive number of fintech startups that are expanding customer choice and new digital platforms for financial management. This entrepreneurial culture unlocks tremendous potential for banks to bring capital, knowledge, security, and trusted customer relationships to fintech entrepreneurs. In partnership, banks and entrepreneurs can reduce customer pain points and make it easier for Canadians to achieve their financial goals in an online world. Innovation is also fueling one of the biggest emerging global needs: digital ID. We're already living in a digital economy, but each one of us is tethered to an analog model of how we identify ourselves. Countless online passwords, showing ID for major transactions, and filling out lengthy paperwork. There's a better way. A person's digital ID is based on a uniform system of interconnected data which proves who a person is without divulging unnecessary information. Banks in Canada are perfectly situated to create a digital ID system that can revolutionize the way we use personal data in a secure, protected way to interact with the world. The banking sector's ability to bring these opportunities to life, however, is restrained by outdated legislation. This brings us to our third theme: the need to modernize a dated regulatory framework so it keeps pace with customers' expectations and innovation. All this potential needs to be empowered by the Bank Act. It's the most important piece of legislation governing banks in Canada, and it hasn't been updated since 2012. The encouraging news is the federal government is modernizing the Bank Act, which will be updated in 2019. We need to get it right. Innovation has become a national rallying cry, and Canadians are ready to embrace everything new and better. The potential is tremendous. All we need is a modern legal framework, the imagination to see what's possible, and the will to make it happen. Stay tuned to these themes in 2018 and join the conversation.